Hi there, welcome to part 2 of Module 1. So in here we're talking about the UI UX tools. So for the UI UX tool, we have criteria for choosing a UI UX tool. Examples of UI UX tools, okay? So that's what we're going to talk about in this part 2. For the criteria for selecting UI UX design tools, we have ease of use. It must have ease of use. Does it come with support? Can you test on multiple devices? How easy is it to collaborate with the tool? Can I keep track of it? Then pricing. So ease of use is how easy is it for you to navigate the tool, the app. Does it come with support? How was the supportive nature of the app? Can you test on multiple devices? Remember, you're not just designing for one device, you're designing for both tablets, for both phone, mobile phone, for both laptop devices. So can it be tested on multiple devices? How easy is it to collaborate with the tool? Can I keep track of it? And then the pricing. This is the criteria for selecting UI UX design tools. So we have example of UI UX design tools. We have Figma, which is free and paid. We have Adobe XD, which is free and paid. We have Sketch, which is free and paid. We have InVision, which is free and paid as well. So how to secure your Figma account? So step 1 is that you go to www.figma.com. So you register a free account to own your Figma workspace. That is it. So you come here, you actually, this is figma.com, right? And it should be a way for you to walk through. Once you get started for free. Welcome to Figma. You type in your email or you continue with Google and you keep continuing to when you set it up. Okay? That is it. How to go about Figma. Now let's go back to our slide. Why use Figma? Real-time collaborations, browser-based, it is free, cloud saving and history, easy to learn, huge community, and awesome online tutorials. So we have real-time collaborations. We have the browser-based, it is free actually, cloud saving and history. That is why it's good. So the design tool we are going to use for this UI is actually Figma. So it has a huge community and awesome online tutorials. Then Figma Workspace, we have the tool panel, we have the layers panel, we have the design canvas, we have the objects and component properties, we have prototype, we have access panel. We're going to talk about this when we see the full view of Figma Workspace. But just so that in Figma Workspace, we have the tools panel, okay? We have the layers panel, we have the design canvas, we have the objects and component properties, we have prototype, we have assets panel. So we also have introduction to design words, principles. We have what we call design principles, principles that will guide your design. So we have hierarchy, we have layout, we have repetition, we have negative space or white space, we have alignment, we have contrast. So principle of hierarchy, this is the ability to create order of importance within the design elements. So you can create hierarchy with size, position, or color. Just like this is hierarchy, right? This one is big and this one is small. Then this one now has its own blue color, this one has its own what? Orange color. What does your eye see first? Orange, because orange has a sharp color. So it's creating that hierarchy there. So you can create it with size, you can create it with color, you can even create it with positioning. Seeing these two designs, you know that this one actually is the header. So can you see where hierarchy comes into play now? Then we have principle of layout. This principle helps you to arrange your design with proper padding and margin. You can achieve layouts with the use of grids in Figma. So we'll talk about grids when we get to, seeing what Figma looks like. But then it helps you to arrange your design with proper padding and margin. So we have principle of repetition. This helps your design to have continuous theme, look, and feel. Repetition can be seen in color scheme and typography. Can you see where repetitions are? Just this color, this blue color, like you can see how the far. Can you see this overstate of this Principle of repetition. It's making it look very cool and very calm. This is principle of repetition. It will come in color scheme and typography. We just repeated all the whole typography here. So we have principle of negative space. This is the arrangement of elements on a design that keeps them from being completely disorderly. Alignment ensures that elements in a design are visually connected and organized, creating order and consistency. It guides the user's eye, improves readability, and makes the overall layout feel more structured and professional. How you align your design, like this file now, look up here. We have these aligned very well. We have these aligned very well. We have these aligned very well. Can you see how aligned that they are? So yeah, is the principle of alignment, so that it make your design look very neat and very good, and it will guide your user's eye. So we have principle of contrast. This refers to two design aspects that are different in appearance and the nature working together to create a design excellence. Just like this now, can you see this typing mode, this view only, this text and this is actually in contrast. They are in contrast, which means that you can actually read so well. I can see this view once, this icon, you can see everything well. It's not blur, it's not even at the part that they used blue to type this on top of blue, you can still see that everything is actually looking so well. You can actually read them, you can actually see them. So yes, the principle of contrast highlight differences between elements such as color, size, shape, or typography to create visual interest and guide users' attention. It helps users quickly distinguish important information and improves overall readability. So we've come to the end of module 1 part 2. See you next one on the module 2. Bye.